Preparing for latte art practice of my skill. Developing latte art skills takes dedicated practice and patience. Start with simple designs like hearts or tulips before moving on to more complex patterns. Use good quality milk, properly steamed to a microfoam consistency. Pouring technique is crucial, focusing on height and flow control. Consistent practice will help build muscle memory and improve accuracy. Experiment with different pouring speeds and positions to find what works best. Don't be discouraged by initial imperfections. Every pour is a learning opportunity. Enjoy the process of creating beautiful latte art and celebrate small victories along the way. Perfecting latte art takes dedicated practice and patience. Start with steaming milk to a smooth, velvety microfoam consistency. Pouring technique is crucial. Beginning high to create the base and then lowering closer to incorporate the foam. Focus on creating a clean white circle first, then progress to basic heart shapes. Consistent practice will build muscle memory and improve your control. Experiment with different pouring speeds and wrist movements to achieve desired patterns. Don't be discouraged by initial imperfections. Each pour is a learning opportunity. Embrace the process and enjoy the journey of developing your latte art skills. Enhancing skills daily will make your latte art perfect. Thank you, and don't forget to hit the bell down below. Enjoy watching.